Hey, I'm Will with Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Alright, we've got a 2025 Dodge Ram Promaster here. We're going to make some they call them Fobics, but they're actually Prox keys, of course. We're going to be using Witech, and we're going to go ahead and pick this door. I'm using a SIP 22 with Instacode, but you don't really need Instacode because it's not actually going to give you a code. And bear with me because it is about 20 degrees right now. My hands are frozen. Usually I can do these pretty quickly, but I am cold. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so first pin in Mopar SIP 22s is gone, so you'd use a cutting tree on that. So we're just going to start number 2. So we got D, C, A, A. We're going to go over to our Instacode. D, C, A, A, B, A, C. D, C, A, B, A, C. So if you do a cutting tree there, it's just going to put A, B, C, D. And I just like to snap a screenshot of that, and I'll cut these later because we don't need these right now, obviously, because we're doing Prox keys. So let's grab our laptop and our easy flasher and the keys, and let's hop in this van because I am freezing. What you want to do is snap a picture of your VIN number, which is here, because you're going to have to buy the PIN code for this vehicle, unless you know of another way, but it does require you to enter the PIN code. So you do that on the Mopar site that we will look at in a second. All right, so we're in the vehicle. And go ahead and hit your flashers. Let's wake this car up. I don't know why my computer is restarting, but that's where we're at right now. It's so cold, everything is acting crazy. So there's our VIN number. I want to go ahead and have that ready to go. Alright, so what we're going to do is open up Witech. Go ahead and open up a browser, and you'll go to your Mopar key code site. And you are going to have have NAS stuff to do this stuff. So you go to key codes, you're going to have to log in. stuff. And you'll need your rolling code 92060908. Then once you bypass that, you go back to Dodge. Now you're in there, and then you can launch your system. Okay, so in Witech, it's going to come on and say device not connected. So what you'll do is come up to the top, click connect, device, non-verified device, and then select your J2534. I use AEZ flasher, but really, I mean, anything you got that's worked. Cardac is good. I've heard of other things working. Whatever you use for your 2534 is fine. So now it says device connected. Give it just a second to load up. This thing is brand new. Okay, so then just in your password. Sometimes you got to enter in your Google verification code. All right, so first thing you're doing, this comes up, is go to your Witech and prod. I'm not sure what that stands for. And this is going to find this vehicle by VIN. So we've got this vehicle, and then what it's going to do is it's going to start running, searching what flashes, what DTCs are on the vehicle. None of that really matters for you, but it's just what you got to wait on. So what we're going to do that, and then we're going to copy this VIN because we'll need it later. So then you just go to miscellaneous functions. You're going to go down to enable Fobics. That's what they call the Prox keys on these. So we're going to enable Fobics. While that's loading, we'll go back over here and we'll enter our VIN number. And then we'll click next. You gotta select that box. And we'll click next. Alright, so then you just enter your credit card information, which I'm going to block out, because I don't want my credit card information out there. And place your order, and it's going to ask us for our Authy code again. So you'll want that up. 853-6695. Log that in. Now go ahead and snap a picture of your PIN code. It's going to give you your key code and your Authy PIN. There you go. So snap a picture of those. And let's go back to Witech. Let's close that out. Alright, this procedure will allow you to enable keys, Fobics. So go ahead and get your keys ready. It is necessary to be connected to the internet, of course. Alright, seat in the vehicle with all the doors closed. The Fobic being acquired or programmed must be inside the vehicle near the center console. So I just kind of usually hold them over there. Continue. Activate hazard lights. Turn the key off. We don't have a key, so the ignition's not on. Alright, is this the correct VIN for the vehicle? Yes, it is. Now it's connecting with the radio frequency hub module. And this is where you enter your authorization PIN. Continue. Now it's connecting. Now it's going to tell us to hit the unlock button once. I don't know which unlock button it is, but I just hit both of them over near the center console. Alright, that one was quick, so this one's already programmed. Alright, so this one's done. You can hear that. Do you want to enable acquire more keys? Yes, I do, because we're making 2 for these. So we do the same thing. We're just going to hit the lock and unlock, or just hit unlock once and then wait for it. Last one took about 35 seconds on the second one, but there's nothing more to do. It's not immediate. Usually it takes a little bit of time, especially on the second one. So you just wait. We'll see. right, this is the longest it's ever taken. We're down 40 seconds plus. All right, 43 seconds, and it took. All right, do you want to enable more keys? No, we don't. We got our 2 in there. So then it shows you got 4 keys on there, which makes sense because it probably came with 2, and we just made 2 more. No more disabled keys. All right, very important with any RAM Promaster, really any of the Fiat systems, because that's what these Promasters are. They're a Fiat system with the SIP22. When you make keys for them, say like we just made these 2 new keys for these Promasters here, all the other keys are deleted. So that's why it says disabled keys. So say you go out to make a key or you're adding a key. You just gotta have that other key because it has to be relearned into the system like Volkswagen, Audi, and some other vehicles do. If you go out and it's an all keys lost job, you gotta let the customer know, hey, I'm gonna make you these keys now. All your other keys will not work. Not only will they not work, they can never work again. Those keys are trash. You cannot use them again. You cannot program them again to that vehicle. I'm sure there's somebody out there that can unlock them for you. Usually it's just not worth the money for a key that's going to cost you $5 for the flip keys. These Proxes cost a lot more, but so you're just going to hit continue. Do you want to save the report file? I don't ever have a reason to, so I say no. All right, put the key to the start button. I don't think you have to do this, but I just do it. I just press the start button with the key. Continue, deactivate the headlights. That at least lets you know we've got the star working. So we're done here. We'll go ahead and start this car. We'll check all our buttons. Alrighty. Next, I'll show you guys how to cut the keys.